Hello, welcome. This is the drum we're going to have a little listen to today. This is a 14-inch Buffalo on a willow frame. As you can see on the back here, we've got branch handle cross, sari wool or sari rope bound around the inner circle. It's a rather lovely design. It's got the scallops at the side around the edge. I'm going to play with two beaters, a firm beater and a softer beater. I'm going to start with a firm beater, I think. Either of these are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose this drum to be yours. Yeah, so they're available as an option on the checkout. Here we go, let's have a play. Beautiful. And then the softer beater. Beautiful. Okay, I hope this little video has helped you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your drum online, which is always tricky, and that's why we make these little videos. I'm Crow from Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.